In this short video, I'll guide you on how to chat in different languages on WhatsApp using simple yet effective methods. If you're tired of copying and pasting messages into translation apps, or you're wondering, can you have two languages on WhatsApp? Then this video will solve your problems. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including learning how to communicate effectively in multiple languages. We'll explore the best options to make your WhatsApp chats multilingual. Stay with me to learn how to create WhatsApp groups in different languages for easy communication. Now, let's get started on how to chat in different languages on WhatsApp effectively. The first method is to use built-in translation features on your device. For Android users, download Google Translate from the Play Store. Once installed, head over to the app settings and enable Tap to Translate. This allows you to translate WhatsApp messages without leaving the app. For iPhone users, you'll need to copy the message and paste it into the Google Translate app manually. Another method is to download apps like iTranslate or iTranslate for easy translation. These apps integrate well with WhatsApp, allowing users on both iPhone and Android devices to translate messages seamlessly within the app or using copy and paste methods. Before we continue with other ingenious methods, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to change the typing language in WhatsApp. The second method is to switch between multiple languages on your keyboard. On both Android and iPhone, you can add multiple keyboards by going to your device's keyboard settings and enabling additional languages. This answers the question, can you have two languages on WhatsApp? Yes, you can easily switch between languages while chatting by tapping the globe icon on your keyboard. Another great idea is to create different WhatsApp groups for different languages to make communication seamless. To learn the right way to create a WhatsApp group, tap on this link. There, I'll walk you through the easy steps to create a group on WhatsApp. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.